Reason David Kim is filling up his hot tub because the CHS volleyball team is coming over soon. I'm not so sure that would be current at this point in time, but this is a few years old.
Nice.
The hot tub is 10 feet across, 5 feet wide, and 4 feet deep. The diagram is there. I'll draw that here in a second. If the water is flowing into the tank at a rate of 2 cubic feet per minute, what variable is that?
dV.
dV dt, right? So dV dt equals 2 cubic feet per minute. Find the rate of change of the depth of the water. Usually depth is in H. Yep. So we want to find dH dt when the water is 2 feet deep. So when H equals 2. Alright, here's kind of what we got from the diagram. Kind of looks like a home plate. So it's 4 feet all the way down, but there's a 1 foot little ridge there, and it goes back 10, is that right? I'm going to abbreviate for purposes of not going off the track. Alright, and it goes down there a little bit. But there's water coming in. So here's the water. The water itself is what kind of shape? Is it a prism? It's a triangle front, but what happens? And so is the back. So it is a prism. It's a triangular prism. Is the home plate shape a prism? Or the whirlpool? It is a prism, but it's not the shape we're worried about. Okay? We are worried about the water, which has got the H and the, you guys don't like R, I think. I'll put X.
No, I like R.
Okay, we'll go to R.
But why does it have V in there?
Well, they put B there, didn't they? If you want to put B, you don't have to if you don't want to. They put it there, but if you want to do R, that's fine with me.
But the V is the same thing as the R.
Right.
Okay.
Well, no, the B is the whole thing, according to that.
R is the radius.
R is just this from the center.
Okay.
But it's kind of up to you how you want to set that up. But it will be an issue in a second. So, what's the formula for the volume of the water? It's a prism. So I need the area of the base times the depth or the height, whatever you want to think of it. What's the face or base shape? We said it was a triangle. So I need 1/2 of the base. Well, what we have set up here, it's not R. The whole base is actually 2 R's times our height. That's the area of the face, the base, the front, the top. Then I got to multiply that by how far back it goes, which is 10. I lose you? Or you guys do something different? Area of a triangle.
Oh, okay.
So if I just clean this up a little bit, all this is 10 RH for my volume. The problem is 2 letters.
Oh, yeah.
So what do I got to do? Go back to my container and see if I can find a relationship between R and H and stuff. What do we got? Anybody got an idea?
R over 5 equals 8 over 4.
Why do you say 2.5?
Okay.
Okay. So you're messing with here, alright? So you want the 2.5.
Oh.
Is it 4?
Yeah. Is it 1?
If I make a triangle like that, is that the same triangle? No, so I really can't go all the way up to the top like I've been doing, right? Or should I cut it
Is
off?
that why they give you the 1? So it's actually 3.
Should cut it off.
Right?
Yeah.
There, right? Is the 2.5 still there? Yes, but now it's 3 for my height,
Oh.
not 4.
Dang it.
So it's kind of like that swimming pool in a way. So R over 2.5 equals H over 3.
Are we always going to have to find it R? Like,
Well,
because all the
yeah.
problems that we have done.
Very seldom are you going to find the radius or that. You're usually going to worry about the height. So I want to get rid of R because everything's with DHs and DVs. So R equals 2.5 H over 3. You could probably play around with a 2.5 over 3. But that's dangerous for you guys. So I'm just going to plug it in. And since I got a 10 here, it's going to make life a lot easier anyway. So when I multiply that out, that's 25 over 3 times H squared. Now I should just plug things in. Am I done? Got to have a DV somewhere, don't I, or a DR? Don't have any of that yet.
So now this is when we.
Now I'm doing calculus. I haven't done any calculus yet whatsoever.
But now we can just, we don't have to do any more solving.
Oh, you just got to.
Like, plug stuff in after this.
Yep. And whatever 3 over 50 turns out to be. 0.6? 0.06. Thank you. 0.06